Hi, my name is Emily Booth, and I teach third grade. And the resource that I'm going to be talking about is called SEMBL. So, to access SEMBL, up in your web bar, you would just type in SEMBL, SEMBL app, and it takes you to this page. So, they have a really bright, fun, colorful site. It looks really exciting. So it is not an app. I can't find it on the App Store, but you can access it through your phone, computer, and I was able to get it on my tablet and my smartboard, so I could just have it right there, saved in all those places if necessary. You can upgrade. There's a monthly option and a yearly option. So yearly, it's a little bit cheaper compared to monthly. So $5 for the more popular or $3 for the more basic. Your school can also purchase it for the entire team. And then there's monthly, which goes up to $6 from 5 and $4 from 3 for the more basic. I don't feel as if that's necessary for me, as it just, you can create playlists and your own tasks. But I know that as a type B teacher, I'm not going to be doing that. And so you can just go straight to the task by clicking on this yellow button with the brain, and it brings up all these activities. You can search specifically for an activity that you like. So I really like behind the yellow door. Click into that, and it brings up the games for it. So you can filter by topic. My class is covering multiplication right now. I teach third grade. So now it's going to bring up all the activities that match with multiplication and with third grade. So an activity that I really liked is called Behind the Yellow Door. I haven't gotten to explore this with my students yet, but I feel like this is something that they would really like. So if you click into it, it brings it up eventually. All right, so then it tells you a little bit about the creator, the grade level that it's good for. So it's good for third, fourth, and fifth, and it covers multiplication. This area tells you more about the activity, what to expect, the purpose of it, and then to actually get into it, you can click Launch. It brings up the activity in a really easy spot, so you don't have all these like tabs going on. So then you just click through. This tells you what to do, and then it brings up an introduction to the routine. So it's just kind of a test run into it. You just slowly open up the blue doors. So we open up a equal sign and a multiplication sign, and it comes up with a little box that gives you clues like what could we be talking about right now. So now we open up another blue door. We have only one left. So then we want to talk about as many if-then sentences as we can. So if 5 is behind this blue door, then 15 must be behind the yellow door. If it's 7 behind the blue door, then this would be 21. So then we open up the final blue door, and so we open up 3 times 4. So now what would be behind the yellow door? And of course it's going to be 12. So if you keep clicking through, our yellow door moves, and you're just going to keep opening up doors. So it covers multiplication and subtraction, and this one's another multiplication, and there is addition as well. So 7 plus what would be 49, but here they could be talking about, well, if it's a multiplication sign behind the blue door, then yellow would be 7, because 7 times 7 equals 49. So if you really like this activity, you can go to where it shows more like this. And so then it brings up all these other activities that matches with the yellow door. And then you just click into it. This one's good for 4th, 5th, and 6th grades. I think their activities, if you look, it goes from K to 6. And then you can also like browse by type. So we have book, opener, number talk. I think that in my class, I'm going to use this before we start our actual math lesson for the day. Right now, I am doing like math talks with my class to where I put a problem up on the board. We all solve it in our own way, and then we have discussions about how we got our answers and the many different ways that we get to our final solution. Um, so I think this offers those same conversations, just more in an interactive, guided way that I think I would enjoy and my students would also think was fun. So this is SEMBL, and I'm pretty excited about it. Thank you.